If you use Obsidian for studying, writing, research, productivity, or organizing ideas, then learning how to create outlines can make your notes much cleaner and easier to manage. Outlining helps you structure information properly so your notes don't become messy or difficult to understand later. Whether you're planning a YouTube script, writing an article, organizing lecture notes, preparing for exams, or managing projects, Obsidian's outlining features can seriously improve your workflow. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to outline in Obsidian step by step in the easiest beginner-friendly way possible. Even if you have zero experience with Obsidian, you'll still be able to follow along easily. So first, let's quickly understand what an outline actually is. An outline is basically a structured way of organizing information into sections and subsections. Instead of writing everything in one giant block of text, you break ideas into levels using headings, bullet points, and indentation. This makes your notes easier to read, easier to edit, and much easier to navigate later. To get started, first open Obsidian on your computer and create a new note. Inside Obsidian, the easiest way to outline information is by using headings. Headings are created using hashtags in Markdown. For example, one hashtag creates a large heading, two hashtags create a smaller subheading, and three hashtags create an even smaller section. This allows you to create a hierarchy inside your notes very easily. For example, if you're making study notes, your main heading could be the chapter name. Under that, smaller headings can represent topics, and even smaller headings can represent subtopics or important concepts. This structure makes long notes much more organized and easier to revise later. Another very useful outlining feature in Obsidian is bullet points. You can create bullet lists using hyphens or asterisks. Once you create a bullet point, pressing Enter automatically creates another one below it. If you press Tab, the bullet point becomes indented, creating a nested structure. This is extremely useful for breaking down ideas into smaller levels. For example, if you are planning a project, your main bullet point could be the project name. Then indented bullet points can represent tasks, subtasks, deadlines, or important details. This creates a very clean workflow for organizing information visually. Now let's talk about collapsible sections, because this is one of the best parts of outlining in Obsidian. When you use headings or nested bullet structures, Obsidian allows you to collapse sections so your notes don't look overwhelming. You can simply click the small arrow beside a heading or bullet structure to hide or expand content instantly. This becomes extremely useful when working with very large notes. Another helpful feature is the Outline panel inside Obsidian. To enable it, open the right sidebar and look for the Outline tab. This panel automatically shows all the headings inside your current note. You can click any heading to jump directly to that section instantly. This makes navigating long notes much faster and easier. Outlining is especially useful for students. You can create structured lecture notes, exam revision guides, chapter summaries, and research outlines very efficiently. Writers also use outlines to organize articles, blog posts, book chapters, and YouTube scripts before actually writing the final content. Instead of getting lost in random ideas, outlining helps maintain a clear structure from beginning to end. Another great thing about outlining in Obsidian is that it works perfectly with backlinks and internal linking. For example, if one section of your outline needs more detailed explanation, you can create a separate note and link it directly. This allows you to keep your main outline clean while still expanding information whenever needed. Now let's look at a useful productivity tip. Instead of trying to write perfect notes immediately, start by building a rough outline first. Create the headings, subheadings, and bullet structures before filling in details. This approach makes writing much faster because you already know how your information will be organized. You can also combine outlining with plugins to improve your workflow even more. Plugins like Outliner, Templater, and Data View can help automate note structures and improve navigation. Beginners don't need these immediately, but they can become very useful once your vault grows larger over time. If your outline looks messy or difficult to read, try reducing large paragraphs and splitting information into smaller sections. Clean outlines are easier to scan quickly, especially during revision or research sessions. Consistent formatting also makes your entire vault feel more organized and professional. So overall, outlining in Obsidian is one of the simplest but most powerful ways to improve your note-taking system in 2026. Using headings, bullet points, nested lists, and collapsible sections can help you organize ideas much more effectively while keeping your notes clean and easy to navigate. I hope this guide helped you understand how to outline in Obsidian step by step. If it did, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Obsidian tutorials, productivity guides, and beginner-friendly tech videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.